In part 1 we looked at the rows that come with ZetaFisc. Now let us build our own, because the row you need is often not one of the defaults. Here is our situation. We are hiring a loans officer. This person will prepare staff loan applications and keep the records tidy. But they must not approve a loan, and they must not pay one out. Approval belongs to a manager. We go to Settings, then Rows and Permissions, and click Create Row. First the name and a description. Always write the description. 6 months from now, somebody else will need to know what this role was for. Now the permissions. Rather than scrolling through all of them, use the search box. Type what the person actually does. Search for loan, and it brings back the HR staff loans category. Let us open it and look at what is inside. 5 separate permissions. Manage staff loan applications. Review them. Approve them. Disburse them. And track repayments. This is the important part. Manage means you can raise a loan application and keep it up to date. It does not let you approve anything. Approving is its own permission, and disbursing the money is another one again. That is how you stop one person from raising a loan for themselves and paying it out. Give the officer the managing, give the manager the approving. So for our loans officer, we tick Manage Staff Loan Applications, and we tick Track Staff Loan Repayments so they can see what has been paid back. And we leave Approve and Disburse unticked. Look at the counter, 2 of 110. That is a tight, well-defined row. They will also need to see the employee directory to pick a member of staff, so let us search for employee and add that. 3 permissions now. That is everything this person needs, and nothing they do not. Save it, and the new row appears in the list with its permission count, ready to be given to somebody. In the next video we will look at what to do when one person on a shared row needs a little more power than the others.